Hey guys, how you doing? My name is Husta and welcome to Just a Plant Room. For those of you that are new, thank you for spending some time with me today. For those of you that are returning, welcome back. So today I wanted to do a little plant review. As you can see, I've taken them out of the boxes and we'll insert pictures down below for you to see what the packing media looked like and what they looked like, you know, before I took them out. But I bought from two companies. So let's see what I got. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, so as I mentioned, I bought some plants. I got some from Plant Proper, and this was inside the little envelope, Planted with Care by Anna, and the receipt, of course, of what I got. So let's go ahead and see what these little guys look like. And we're not going to take too long opening these up. That's why I opened them prior to, took them out of the boxes. You know what it looks like when they come in the box. That's why we're just going to insert pictures for those. But I keep the bamboo stakes. And I'm going to be messy with it. Almost got it. Almost got it. And there she is. So this is a Soderoy. Now the funny thing is I have one of these, but I bought a very tiny cutting that was rooted, and it's been struggling ever since. So I'm super excited to get this one. It's a fuller plant. And my original one is living in the cabinet. Hopefully she'll gain some strength and get full, and I can put them both together. So, Soderoy. Let's see what we got here. And Plant Proper, at the time that I purchased these, they had a special going, buy 3, get 1 free. So this baby is cute. So I've been after this for almost 6 months. This is a Hoya lyris. And apparently they've gotten super popular because I have been on waiting list to get one, and I finally have one in my possession. So I'm super excited about this one. Hoya lyris. All right, moving right along. This was the free one, and it is a plant that I struggle with, and y'all gonna laugh at me when you see it. But I can't seem to keep these guys alive to save my neck. So this is a Syngonium. She's very pretty. I'm gonna do my darndest this time around to see if I can actually grow this one. Look at the pretty pink on the leaves. She's actually quite pretty. Y'all pray for me. And last but not least, we have another Hoya. Like you guys would be surprised, right? All right, I'm gonna try not to butcher this name. Let's see, Hoya Cpen. Wait a minute, let's try that one more time. Hoya Cpen. I think I got close. Either way, we're going to go ahead and we'll put that name down at the bottom so you can see. But isn't she pretty? Actually, quite a full plant. I'm super impressed. Very pretty. She's even got some splash. Can't wait to see if she'll stress. All right, so those are the 4 plants that I purchased from Plant Proper. So we'll put these guys over here along with the stuff that came with. And let's move on to canopy plants. So with canopy plants, the only thing that was in the box was the packing slip. And I got 2 plants from them. Bet you can't guess what's in here. How many of y'all said philodendron? Nope. Okay, this paper is being quite difficult. Almost there, guys. So this is actually a Hoya. Yeah, I know, right? No surprise there. This is a Hoya Mannypeny. When I did my research online, I think these were classified as the shittias before, and just recently got upgraded to Hoya. What's cute, at least what was cute to me about this one, was the leaf. It's got the leaves almost look kind of heart-shaped. I don't know if you can tell, but they're super cute. Can you see that? Not quite a heart, maybe more like a triangle. And I think that's what got me, the fact that the leaf shape was different. And it's got a little bit of splash on it too. So we shall see how she does. And then I have one more. And I know you won't guess what this is. If you said Hoya, you're wrong. Aw, he's so cute. He's so little. Just tear it. Aw, he's so tiny. Isn't he cute? It's a Ficus benjamina, but this one is called Eldorado. So I have a regular green ficus, and it's really cute. She's growing. I've had her for about a year, but you know, I figured she needed a companion. Isn't she adorable? Look at the variegation. Now those baby leaves. We shall see how she does. I'll probably end up putting her next to what will become her big sister now. Well, that ends my plant haul. I've got 6 new babies, 4 that I purchased from Plant Popper, 2 that I got from Canopy Plants. They all look healthy and happy. I'll leave them quarantined for about a week or so, but I've never had any issues, knock on wood, with plants that I've gotten from either one of these companies. So let me know what you've got. Did you get anything this month? Come on, I know you got something. Tell me about it in the comments. I always get excited when somebody else gets plants too. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Talk to you next time. Bye. See, that didn't take long.